Good morning. So today I'm going to be cleaning up my closet and reorganizing my room and trying to figure out the most efficient way to organize stuff because it's not working out, and then it kind of becomes frustrating, and it's like, I don't know, I just can't take this no more. It's a lot of stuff. But there's a lot of stuff in here that we don't use, and it's like unnecessary to even have it in here. Ooh, look at my eyes. So I'm about to pull everything out of this closet, and I'm only putting back what's absolutely necessary. So this is what my closet is looking like right now. Okay, so I got all the clothes pulled out the closet. So grandpa's oldest son, youngest son, daughters, mine, and then this over here is just some extra stuff and stuff I've already started sorting, so I have to clean that up. Let me show you the closet real quick. Okay, so this is the closet right now, and see, all the clothes are out besides my husband's stuff I said I wasn't touching. But this is what I was talking about. Like, this whole thing keeps coming off, and it doesn't look like it's broken, it's just slightly bent, but it's something going on, so they won't be needing those anymore. And then the Instant Pot is in here because there's no room for this big thing in the kitchen. Huh?
What did you do?
What, take out all the clothes? Because it's a mess in here. I would show you, but you don't have any pants, sir. My shoes are all down here. And this kind of gets frustrating for me because I can't get to my shoes because of all this stuff right here. And then the shoes that's in this white thing right here is like the shoes that the kids wear to school. See, they have to wear like brown or black shoes to school, and shoes that they wear frequently that doesn't have a box, I just toss them in there. Let's see. Then my heels, and basically I need to get to work. I have all the stuff that I'm going to take out right now. I was going to take the shoes out right now too, but I don't really have anywhere to put them, and I know the shoe situation is going to still stay the same. I just need to swap out the shoes because I'm not going to take the shoes out of the boxes that have boxes, but the ones that's in here and are not good shoes, I'm going to take out. What's wrong, JoJo?
You
want me to take a picture of you? I'm recording. Wave. Wave. You want to help?
Yeah.
Okay, you can help me when I get ready to do these, but I'm not doing these right now, okay?
Okay.
Can you get that hanger from down there?
Wait. This?
Yeah. Go through the next one.
I can't reach.
Go under. Go in this one. No! Your arm, boy. Reach it. Okay, and it's another hanger down there.
Okay. I can reach it.
Thank you. Okay, can you give them to me?
Two of these?
Yes, thank you. Okay.
This is a lot of cleaning.
Yeah, mommy's doing a lot of cleaning today. Yeah, it comes apart. It's broken, so we might have to go to Walmart and get a new one.
Wow. This looks like a table.
Let me show y'all. This is all the clothes. So we got all the bins down here. And then, of course, some papers and stuff got thrown on the floor because I had Jonah helping me, and he likes to throw stuff. So I have all that stuff, and this is the miscellaneous stuff back here. Some of the shoes are here. Like I said, he kind of did toss some stuff on the floor. This is also a bag of shoes. And need to clean off the dresser. And that stuff, still got to take those shoes out and figure that out. Let's see. And then I have stuff up here I have to get rid of, and then I still have stuff hanging up over here that I need to hang back up in the closet too. But that's like the kids' school clothes and my husband's clothes, because I have a hard time reaching that side of the closet. More clothes in this chair. I have a whole basket of clothes in the hallway, along with the whole basket of mismatched socks that I need to go through. These down here, these are my kids' underclothes in these little cubby things. That's like my books and like stationery stuff. You show them your shoes. He wanted these shoes so bad yesterday. Show them how they light. You'll make them light up. No. See? I was saying my kids' underclothes are in these 3 drawers. Then that is like chargers for our tablets, laptops, and whatnot in there. Like I said, that was my stationery. And then in this drawer, which I want to find, oh shoot, I almost fell. And in this drawer is like detergent and stuff, more, the flings. And down here is like a bunch of miscellaneous stuff and DVDs in there too. I need to buy a DVD case. And I think that's about it. This stuff. So this is good. Possibly too small. What size is this? Definitely too small. Possibly too small. This is what I came up with. This is stuff that's going to stay in the closet right here. This is stuff that doesn't need to be hung up, that I can fold and put in a drawer. This is too small stuff. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of his jeans, which I actually put some in this pile. Take all of the jeans and fold them up in a drawer to clear a lot of closet space, because he has a lot of jeans. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And I think I'm going to do this for each kid. My daughter's jeans already aren't hung up. That's why she doesn't have that much stuff in the closet. But I also need to go through her stuff and see what's too small. And then, like I said, my youngest son has this whole big pile right here of stuff that he doesn't really wear. Or, like, he just wears when he goes to church and stuff. So I'll sort through that stuff and figure that out, too. Okay, so I'm officially done with all these baskets. Okay, so that's done. Now, all the drawers. Why do I say baskets? So I'm about to start organizing them and putting them back in there. Okay, so I had to stop cleaning to go pick up the kids from school, and then we had to go to Walmart because I needed something to put the shoes in that will actually fit. They will actually fit in. So I'm gonna put I'm gonna put the shoes in this one, a 64 quart latching toad from Walmart. I think it was like $6 or $7, and then the extra laundry detergent and whatnot I'm gonna put in this one. The Sterilite container. It's a gasket box. It's air moisture resistant seal. The only reason I got this one is because the top of this one seems like way more sturdier than the other ones. So, you know, this is going to be at the bottom, and I'm going to sit the shoe thing on top of it because I won't need access to the soap every day, because I'll keep the bottle that I'm using out right now, which means that the soap and stuff that's in here I'll also end up putting in there. I got some more collapsible storage bins. So this one's for the boys, and then I got this one for Malaya. and because those are old and dingy now. The only one that doesn't look that bad is this one, so I might just keep that one and put it at the top, but we'll see. Okay, so I finished my closet. This is like a week later. I forgot to film ending shots. So basically, I did it. So I have towels and washcloths in these 2 bins. Then these 3 are my oldest son's clothes. These 2 are my daughter's. This bottom one is also my daughter's, and these 3 are my youngest son's. And this down here is all our laundry detergent, dish detergent, and stuff that I've gotten while couponing. These are extra shoes in here, and these are the kids' school shoes. So I have light jackets right here so that it doesn't crush this. My oldest son's good clothes, my daughter's clothes, my youngest son's clothes, and then this little section would happen to be mine, and then my shoes at the bottom. The oldest 2, they wear the same shoe size right now, so unless it's like a gender specific color, which means like my daughter's shoes, then all their stuff is shared. So they have these and those are theirs, and this is my youngest son's shoes. And these in here are some shoes that's bigger, or just sandals and stuff that they don't wear all the time because they have to wear black or brown shoes to school. So that's that. And then I don't know if I'm going to keep this hair dryer in here because I don't really use it, but I guess I could. That is just a vacuum. It's a Bissell Multi-Reach Plus. I don't know how I feel about this vacuum. That's why I'm keeping the box, and I may or may not be returning that. I don't know how I feel about it yet. And then, of course, my Instant Pot and a bunch of extra stuff, my nail drill, cameras, and stuff really that had no space because I can't reach up here, which this would be nice space to use for that, but it's a struggle, and I'm tired of stuff falling on my head from up there. We have my vision board, and then I have all of our hats up there. So these are like the kids' hats. Wait, there's a whole row of hats missing because I had hats on this too. I really don't know. And then I have this row of hats, and that would be my kids arguing about everything under the sun. I still haven't vacuumed the floor yet, which is what I'm about to do. Fix that. Okay, so this is kind of an issue with stacking all of these up. It makes it so hard to close the drawers. That bottom one is like so difficult to close that this little space is not really bothering me, but some people it might. And let me show you. This is how I have the kids' clothes folded up in there. I guess it's called the KonMari method, and it just makes it so much easier to have everything in here. This is just on top because there's no space for it. So I have his shirts, his shorts and jeans, and this one. And then this is what he would call home clothes or pajamas. I put them all in one drawer this time. Safe space. I got rid of a lot of his stuff, and he still has a lot more. And that's how I did all three kids clothes like that. And then I have a drawer that I will show you where I put their school clothes. And this is actually inside the room. So I just have my daughter's outfits that's actually laid out right here. Extra shirts. These are some more of her shirts. And then my son's stuff. The only reason why it's a little bit in here is because it's actually laundry day. So that would be that.